The big dog. Big dog's on the lift. Got some maintenance to do on it. 3,000 mile sled. Bought it new. What we got going on here is the back handle plastic broke up underneath here out of these clips. So, and this is getting a little loose. So, we're going to try to take the whole assembly off and either repair it or get a new one. So that's what we got going on today. Running wise, I think we're just going to top the fluids off, put new plugs in it, and be good to go. All right, so what we got here is, of course, issues. These nuts are, I guess they're Torx 25s. I guess these things are here. Rusted, stripped, one on each side. One came out on each side, and then one rusted, so, or stripped. So I'm gonna grind them off. I'm just gonna hit them with the grinder and get rid of them, and I'll put a bolt and a washer and a nut back in there once we get it secured. But we got to get that dog stripped out from the inside. So I'm gonna see about cutting it off here, see if it'll come up. Take much. All right, that one's off. Let's go to the other side. All right, same drill over here. As you can see here, rusted and stripped. All right, let's get this thing off to the bench and see what it's going to take to rework it. Okay, the rear bar project is complete. We just put some stainless fasteners in this thing. Underneath, we used some big fender washers to hold it. It's pretty solid. I went to bolts and nuts and stainless and flat washers and fender washers. It's good enough. So that's gonna hold good. So I think the only thing we got left to do is we've topped, we got plugs in it, put oil in it, belt's good. Really the only thing Big Dog needs here is probably a grease job. So probably gonna hit the front end and up under the skid with the grease gun, and we're gonna call this one ready to go. So, all right, we got the service all done on the 02 ZR800 cross country edition. Greased, fluid top off, put new bolts in the back handle, in the flap, got that all shored up. She's ready to go. Belt's all good. Let's give her a rip here and see how it sounds. I think it sounds all right. She's ready to go.